3-8. That's the number. Winner's number. Congratulations. All right. Maybe one bonus for you. I don't know, Eleni. That's up to the wheel. Blazing saying, I need something. You want something. You don't need something. Come on, Blazing. 3X some crazy time right there. Bop up, how dare you saying you're not my favorite anymore? Who is? I'm your favorite. I'm your favorite again. Oh, that's crazy time with a 3X on it. Yeah. Come on now, people. We got stuff to see and things to do. Yep. We're at the giant wheel place, and there's a 3X top slot on it. That's more than 2X. Look at the wheel just fitting. We gotta do some wibbly wobblies. Place is saying, Arthur, can I have your fingernails? Well, if I can have your toenails, then we can do a bit of a swap, yeah. A trade, I do believe, is how it's called. Green, blue, yellow. Click a button, people. Make your finger click a button using your brain. All right. What's up there? Hold on, let me do that again. I timed it incorrectly because it's lagging. What's up there? 600X.
I feel like I need to get a top slot in here. Congratulations. Hopefully in a bonus round. Place your bets. Welcome to newcomers. Did you bring some luck though? Hope you did. Best close. Good luck. Good luck. 3X on number 2 this time. Oh yeah, cash hands, pachinko. I haven't had those since the beginning. And we could definitely get them again. That would be nice. Woo! Come on. Nice! It's crazy time! Woo! Are you ready? Let's go, everyone! Alright, ladies and gentlemen, you know how it goes. There are 3 flappers and 3 teams. So we'll be on the yellow, on the blue, or on the green. The choice is yours. Let's do it! Here we go, some double ups. All right, 20X for yellow, 15X for the green, blue ones. It's a double. All right, ladies and gentlemen, are you ready? Let's go again. Woo! That's another double for the blue. All right, can we get another one? Oh, that is yet another double. What is going on? Wow. All right. Wow, this is already, what, 3rd or 4th double for the blue team? Wow. Come Come on, we need a big win after this. Woo! That is gonna be 400x for the blue flapper. Congratulations, everyone.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the wheel. This was crazy time, crazy delightful time. Oh, thank you everybody. My congratulations to all the winners. So I saw there was a 200x for the blue team, and honestly I don't remember the previous, sorry, 10x I guess for the blue, yeah? No, I mean for the green. And anyways, 15x on Pachinko, guys. Come on. Come on. Frikandel is a snack only available in the Netherlands. Ah, really? I've been lying to myself. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! Sorry, that's a little too aggressive, but I mean, woo! That was some confidence. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. This is time to squat wheel down, and welcome to this is Pachinko! So, 5x, okay? 5x, we're starting from 5x. I'm not even looking, yeah? Because 15x on top, okay? Woo! From the top slot. Woo! Make it happen. Yes! Wow, you guys. You in for the big one, huh? So, max multi, 300x. No. We can make it happen. Come on. Confidence, baby. Woo! We did it! Woo! Whoa! Oh yeah, samba samba, woo! Oh yeah, woo! Oh yeah, wow! Welcome back.
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTC-HS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.